Do you guys have it so you can see your car?
Yeah.
Or do you change the view?
No, I don't change it. I'll just keep it on the outside view. Look at this guy. We're meant to be following in a convoy. I'm following nicely behind Sarah, and this vlog just goes around the outside and goes. And he's off the road.
Oh, it was fucking...
He just goes off road.
How much kilometers are you guys from this destination?
4K.
Oh god. Chop chop.
Well, Sarah's being a good girl and she's driving on the road properly, as you're meant to. Some people...
Am I supposed to go off-road?
Well, clearly Bren does, because he's already at the destination.
Yeah, but he knows where he's going.
Like, you sent me another invite? Come on.
I didn't send you one.
You sent me one.
There's a problem, Jace.
Nah, it's not working. Stop hanging out with my friends without me. Get your own friends.
Right, give me 2 seconds. Alright.
Get your own friends.
Jason, I downloaded this to play with you, and here you are being nasty to me.
Yeah, I know, I'm sorry.
Doesn't appreciate nothing.
Can't be for you, that's pretty rich, but all good.
Oh, do we have to wait for Jason?
Yeah, we'll probably have to wait for him. Which direction is Jace come from? Because I'll go hide.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, here he comes. And he overshoots. He overshoots the fucker. I just see this car go flying. Dun, 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 dun.
Behind you.
Right.
Jace. The UNSC Warthog, Jace.
Oh, that's cool.
You get an option to do it.
Yeah, I can choose two.
This is the only car I got.
Oh, so we can only do... Yeah, because I need to borrow that car too.
Yeah. It's just to make sure everything's even though.
What's this, the Ford Fiorina?
Jason and his rude jokes again.
What have we got? Okay, so we're all in the Ford Focuses, apart from Bren, who's decided to go for the Honda Civic again.
The most underpowered car in the class by 5 horsepower. Right.
What's this race called? The Vagina Classic?
You use the same joke twice.
Yeah,
Thanks,
in the
man.
space of 2 minutes, that's pretty ordinary. I don't find this. I don't wish to alarm everyone, but it's kind of gender specific. We've got blue cars and Sarah's got a pink car.
It's because I'm better than you.
Well,
Is that right? I just crashed into the wall.
Probably shouldn't have crashed when you said that.
So, we're not racing against each other, are we? It's a team race?
so it's a team race.
They're together.
So we've got to essentially rack up more points than the opposition. Oh god, I'm concerned. I've actually got a named racer behind me.
Who?
Jace.
Get him, Chase.
Using the...
Knock him off his...
Oh, does your
Knock
wheel
him off
work
his
with this,
bird.
Russ?
Yeah, it does.
You don't
Is that what
really
you're
use the
using at the
wheel,
moment?
though, for competition races, do you?
Nah, not really. I'll do it. If I had my setup done even better than what it is now, then I would be using it at the moment. But with the headset, it makes it a little bit tricky. Oh god, have I overcooked it? James overcooked it as well.
Yeah.
Come on, Sarah, where are you?
We're getting there, I'm getting there. I'm 9.
Nine?
Brent's third.
Yeah, Bren's third, I'm first, Jason's second, and there's a lot of silence. So we know that the concentration's high.
Well, I'm not gonna beat Russ.
Yes, he's done it again.
Oh.
Strike one for Team Rusty Racers. I'm on the lead.
It's funny because it's the opposite of real life. Because Russell can really drive that vagina.
And there's the third time he uses the joke in a matter of 10 minutes.
Is Brendan here?
Yeah, he's here. I don't know where he... Oh, here he comes.
2, 1.
Oh, thanks, Russ.
Oh, he's back again. What the hell is that car now?
What's this? It's the Jaguar F-Type.
Oh, he's got a Jaguar F-Type as well. This guy.
I can buy a car.
It's on.
Hey,
Oh, God.
what? I wasn't gonna say anything. Why does Sarah have that's bullshit? She gets like a pink one where you get like all bullshit blue ones.
Hey, don't knock the
that's
blue one.
alright, but... Yeah, but we're all the same. It could be different colours.
Alright, so what rankings do we have this time? So they've put me in between Jace and Bren, so that's not going to be a good start for me.
Yeah, you should be last, Russ, because you come first last time.
Alright, Jace, let's knock him off.
It's just like
knock him off
stuff team catastrophe. It's just straight into it.
Where is he? Oh, you're in front of me. That's convenient. Hey, Gibbs, turn left now. Oh,
Again, we are in party chat, so it doesn't quite work like that.
maybe I could have been last.
Oh god.
Oh no.
How are you in last, Sarah? We haven't even had to apply the brake.
Pressure?
I feel like it just squiggles out of control.
Hey Jace, is this a time for call the female drivers?
You should. Do you have any Asian friends that play Forza? That'd be a hoot. They're like, oh, Forza, is that like Grand Theft Auto? Yeah, probably. Oh, Russell's already taken the lead.
Momentum.
What's new?
He's a little slut.
Oh,
this
he's
kid.
Oh, Jace!
Oh,
He was trying. He tried to derail me there really badly then.
How'd you go?
you wouldn't think we're on the same team.
No. Oh, I made a mistake. Is he going to do the right thing and try past me? Nah.
I think sometimes it's quicker to bounce off the walls in those situations. Unless you really get the corner right.
Alright, there's something seriously wrong here.
Oh, crashed.
Right.
Well, we've had 2 races, and we're all pretty much finished in the exact same positions.
I crashed.
Ah, fuck. I crashed too.
Oh god.
You jinxed it, right?
Oh, fuck, I wouldn't buy that.
Super hot hatch. We get the Ford Focus again.
Oh, yeah, this...
Well, I don't have any other cars, so what am I supposed to do?
Go out and buy a fucking car. Go buy a WRX.
Didn't you say
I've
you
got
want a
one.
Camaro?
Yeah. Why is it doesn't give me the option to choose those though?
Do you have any spins, or have you used all your spins? I'm surprised you haven't got any cars from spins.
Yeah, I got a
Maybe.
Camaro or whatever you want to say.
It just doesn't. Oh, you actually got that car, it just doesn't come up.
Maybe you got to finish
Yeah.
that big boat one before it lets you use more power.
Finished it.
Or maybe it's just the
I beat that.
class of the race.
Oh, you finished it?
Yeah, I finished it. I beat that.
Oh, okay.
I just love this Ford Focus though, it's just amazing.
Oh, fuck. We can go, dude. Race
Is this
around
called
races
Forza
again.
4 or Focus 4?
I'll change my car next time and see
Nah,
if
it's all
that'll
good.
work.
That's all good.
Alright, so now we've got a... Oh, no, we've got a track race.
I was winning when I was by myself. It's you guys.
Yeah, me too. Russell, no change.
Yeah.
No.
Russ comes along, just beats everybody.
Russ is like, oh, I'm still beating everyone.
My game hasn't changed.
Who was that? Jason.
You just hear the laugh in the background.
Oh shit.
That sounds very guilty.
Fuck.
Oh, I only just got that checkpoint
Tight
then.
track, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Russ, you're not winning. What the hell?
No, I'm getting there.
Where are you, Russ?
Go to bed.
You go to bed, Russ.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, I got a 500 drift point.
Oh, Russ, you nearly missed that challenge.
Nah, I had that covered by a long way.
Oh, that was funny. The great man falling back.
Oh, Russell, typical first.
Yeah, sweaty player I am. Just always gotta be at the front of the pack.
So have you guys created a club yet?
What, a car club?
I think so.
Yeah.
Nah, not yet.
What are
Have
we
you?
calling are we being called the Rusty Racers or the...
Probably should stick to tradition.
Rusty Gear Knobs?
Rusty knobs.
What?
The rusty knobs.
Rusty Knob.
Oh, too tight. Ask me anytime you want, Chase.
Oh mate, I'm trying to. There's too much skill in front of me.
Oh yeah, I know about that.
Well, not you, you dickhead.
Oh,
So I'm gonna
Yeah.
fuck this corner up.
oh, oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Whoops. I used you as the cushion.
Yeah, that's what I tried to do to Russ in the last race. It didn't work out for me.
Oh, damn. That's alright, we'll try next race. He needs to feel the pain of finishing a race not in first.
How many laps?
Hey
are
Russ,
there
give the control to Bill for like half the race.
for? Give me a
Come
handicap.
back. Or use it, you will. Shake it up. Oh,
You're so
Oh
close.
no!
that was close.
Oh no, come on, no, Sarah, you were doing so well.
That car pushed me into the wall.
Was anyone else thinking about cutting away Sarah?
You got 200 points. That's a new high score. Hang on a second. Do you want to see what $10 million looks like, Jace?
Right, yeah, we've got to watch this one.
$1 million?
Yeah, you got a $10
Yeah,
million
I want
dollar
it.
car and a drop.
I want a $10 million car.
fuck do you win a $10 million car?
Yeah, I know. Tell me about it.
Nothing too exciting, but here it is.
Oh my god, that's
Oh,
This thing is worth 10 million if I want to sell it.
oh my god. Sell the fuck out of that thing.
No kidding. This one's a McLaren.
He just reels off these cars. Oh, $10 million car. Here's a McLaren. Don't forget my Lamborghini.
Just keep winning them from the wheels.
Yeah, I know.
Win many races like champion Russell over here.
And I still don't get anything for him. That just proves the point. Don't win races, get rewarded.
Exactly. Be the poor guy coming last.
Hey!
That was grouse.
Alright, so there's the jump.
You went flying.
GPS is like, turn around. Can't really do that.
Just went ape shit.
Oh shit!
How good was that?
I turn around. Yeah, I turn around. Oh, there goes Jace. Oh, there goes Sarah. Oh, come on, Sarah. You're meant to go over the jump, Sarah. You're not meant to put on the brake right at the last minute.